Welcome back to Autoscope, the place where we explore the future of luxury, performance, and innovation on four wheels. Today we're taking a look at something truly exciting, the all-new 2026 Audi Q9. Audi has always been known for combining luxury with cutting-edge technology, but with the Q9 they've taken things to an entirely new level. This flagship SUV is bigger, more powerful, and more luxurious than anything Audi has built before. At first glance, the 2026 Audi Q9 immediately commands attention. The design is bold and sophisticated, featuring a massive single-frame grille, sleek LED matrix headlights, and a sculpted body that gives it a strong road presence. The long wheelbase and wide stance make it look powerful while still maintaining that clean and elegant Audi style. From the sharp character lines to the aerodynamic shape, every detail of the Q9 has been carefully crafted to look modern and premium. Step inside the Audi Q9 and you'll instantly realize this SUV is built for ultimate comfort and luxury. The cabin is incredibly spacious with 3 rows of seating, making it perfect for families or anyone who wants extra room to travel in style. Premium leather seats, real wood trims, brushed aluminum accents, and ambient lighting create an atmosphere that feels more like a luxury lounge than a car interior. Audi's advanced digital cockpit takes center stage with a massive curved display, a high-resolution infotainment screen, and a digital driver cluster that keeps all important information right in front of you. Technology is where the 2026 Audi Q9 truly shines. The SUV comes equipped with Audi's latest MMI system, offering seamless smartphone integration, voice commands, and an intuitive interface that makes controlling everything incredibly easy. Rear passengers also get their own entertainment screens, ensuring long journeys stay comfortable and enjoyable for everyone. A premium surround sound system delivers crystal-clear audio, turning every drive into a concert-like experience. Under the hood, the Audi Q9 offers impressive performance options. Reports suggest powerful turbocharged V6 and V8 engines, along with a possible plug-in hybrid version that combines strong performance with improved fuel efficiency. Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system ensures exceptional traction and stability, whether you're driving through city streets, highways, or rough terrain. The adaptive air suspension also provides a smooth and comfortable ride while maintaining sporty handling. Safety is another area where the Q9 stands out. Audi has packed this SUV with advanced driver assistance features including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. These technologies work together to make driving safer and less stressful, especially during long road trips. The 2026 Audi Q9 is not just another luxury SUV. It represents Audi's vision for the future, a vehicle that blends luxury, performance, technology, and practicality in one impressive package. For drivers who want a full-size premium SUV that offers space, innovation, and power, the Audi Q9 could easily become one of the most desirable vehicles on the market. So what do you think about the all-new 2026 Audi Q9? Would you choose it over other luxury SUVs? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to Autoscope for more exciting car reviews and the latest automotive innovations from around the world.